Okay, I got back to this a lot later than I intended. I took a short nap and then ate and did some other stuff, so just getting the link so I can share it. Gonna be very sleepy. Okay. So there's a couple edge cases I needed to clear up. Does this have a door? No, it doesn't. So one of them is the door needs to be cleared on this. Door equals none. I'm gonna ensure this is working properly. Okay, so I can go down here, and door's not here, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna have a thing that's like ready to exit equals false. This is so spaghetti. So I'm going to add a thing down here. Where's the events? It's up, I think. I'm not very good at game design. Ask anyone who's played all my game jam games. Wait, are my what's going on there? My thing's not looking right. Hey, wait. Okay, that's a visual glitch. Should be fixed now though. Alright, so that's a true, and if not ready to exit, else 300 okay, so in theory, once the door appears, I should not be able to use my oops. What is up with these spawns? Something is not working right here. Fire position. Something's... It should be overwritten here. That's weird. Oh, wait. It's spawned me up here, but then... Oh, I think I know what it is. It's this part. Yeah, that's it. That'll probably fix that issue. For some reason the soul was determining the spawn. Okay. I'm just gonna try to make it through this. How do I? Okay. Boom. Okay. So that fixed some of the major bugs I was having. Gotta make the next level, and I was thinking that the final boss should be more like the rendering should be done more geometrically rather than using pre-drawn assets to be more dynamic that way. Level editor. So I'm trying to think of a good design here. I'm thinking kind of 4 islands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there'll be a ledge right there, and a ledge right here. Fill, 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 fill. And then, actually, I'm gonna auto tile this now, and then I'll clean it up. So, chop off the edges here. Okay, do that. Hopefully that's gonna be enough. Need to auto tile this. And clear off the excess. ID does not matter. I must have said that like I don't know, 20 times today. Okay, trim off these last few edges, and I've got the basic level layout. There we go. So that's basic level. Boss is gonna be in the middle. Yep. All right. So mana. How many phases was it supposed to have again? 1. Well, you start with 1. And then you're gonna need 5 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So as a player, you're gonna have to play this properly. Like, you're gonna have to use your mana to be able to get to the other mana. Well, it depends on how you do it. If you go down early, it's gonna mess you up. Actually, maybe I should spawn them at the bottom so they have to come up to these other ones. That would be funner. Decorations. Boop, boop. This one's a significantly bigger map than the other ones. I should have placed the tops and bottoms together. Can do that. gotta place the bottoms here and here and here. Alright, bottoms have been placed. I'm gonna do the pillars. Alright, weapons racks. So tables. Chandeliers. That's a lot of them. Hopefully won't lag. Torches. Okay. And I think that's it. So that's the map. Data, maps, rename level 3.json. Gonna load into it real quick. Level 3. I don't know if that position's gonna be fine, but whatever. Okay, that works. So can kill that now. Any beginner project idea? If you do game jams, you can just use a theme for your idea. So the horizontal position needs to be updated because that's not good. So 400. Oh, that's a little bit too far. 350. 360. 370. 364. 366. 368. Where's auto return? Level 3 equals false. Level editors released for patrons. So I do need to do the eye. All right. All right, it won't end. Okay, so the eye. What was it? Hold on. So Where should I render this? It should be kind of above other things, I think. Or maybe not above the projectiles. I'll do it here. If level name is level 3, wait. So the eye's gonna kinda, oh wait. I target height equals 30. I height equals 30. This is going to be the height of the eye when it's open. So, I point equals, oh wait, I base equals, where's the player for this? 350, 200, probably, 220 maybe. So the first point is going to be negative 20, 0, then negative 10, negative 10, 10, negative 10, 20, 0, and let's see, 8, 8, I know 8, 8, and negative 8, 8. Actually, this is going to be I height minus, wait, no, by 0.5, or negative I height, and then I height by 0.35, okay, so I can draw these points. Under points equals P0 plus I base 0, P1 plus I base 1, or P in I points. Pygame draw dot poly, oh it needs to be minus scroll 0, minus scroll 1. I'm gonna draw a polygon display. Gonna make it white for now. Render points. I'm also gonna do I height equal plus equals I target height minus I height divided by 40. Let me make it slow. Alright, 50. So now I target height. I'll leave it for now. Actually, I just want to see it there. So there it is. It needs to be moved horizontally. So 80, 90. Nope. 84. think it's off by like 2 pixels. Ah. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna make this thing a little bit shorter. 4, 4, 3, 3. All right. So Pygame.draw.circle display. What is that red color? It's in the fonts. What did I do with fonts? Oh, here. 244, 89, 120. I base 4. That's gonna be 5. And then this one's gonna be 0, 0, 0. Wait, no, it's I base 0 minus scroll 0, I base 1 minus scroll 1. So now that part needs to follow the player. So I center is going to be I center, I center, player dot what is it? Get angle to I base so angle equals that plus math.py, so turn it around, and I center advance I center at the angle by 4. Oh, that's not creepy at all. If not soul mode, else then it is the soul. So it's watching that. I'm gonna do some blinking stuff. So if random.random 0 to 40 120 is 0, I height equals 0, 2. I want to see a blink. By zero point 1 by wait, no, by I height divided by 100 plus 0.7. Not sure if I like that. $60. If I height is more than 10, more than 16. $180 doesn't need to be that slow. Okay. So I need to work on the phases now. So, okay. There's I base, which is right there. Actually, that can be defined outside just in case I have some issues. So the first phase is using the angle. I can actually get that. And call it I angle, so I can keep using it. So right here I'm gonna do if level name is level 3, I'm gonna do this thing. I need to add that field for the events. Okay, so where are the events? Over here. Okay, so gonna copy some stuff here for the events. So 300, wait, 300 is 10 seconds. I don't need that much. I'm gonna start at 200 and then go till 800. Wait, sorry, 300 is 5 seconds, duh. If random.random 0 to 40 or 0 to 90 is 0, then it's gonna shoot. Where's nope, that's that one. Projectiles.pen, I'm looking for that stuff. Okay, I'll take this. So here for iron range, let's do just 12. Velocity. Wait, what is? Oh, that's the angle of the sparks. So let's do this the other way around. So angle equals I angle. Velocity equals math.cosine of the angle by speed. Math.sine of the angle by speed. And I can do speed equals random dot random. 40 to 80 divided by 5. I don't know. On 10. I'll do 5 actually. So spawn is I base a copy. Who knows if this is gonna work, but Nope. Angle is not defined. So this needs to be I angle rather than angle. So at a certain point, oops. It should be like 4 seconds. That was not 4 seconds, wait. Print E. Okay, that was just me being bad. But oh, right. No, it should be getting added to. Okay, apparently not. Oh, that's level 2 timer. I need 3. Here's the problem. Doesn't work. But print events level 3 timer. Print. Okay. There it goes. Print boot. Oh no, it's doing its thing. I was just getting questionable luck before. So the angle plus random dot random by math dot pi divided by 4 minus divided by 2 divided by 4 minus math dot pi divided by 8. Speed could be lower. Cutting back on the particles a little bit. You need to be able to see a bit. Ooh, okay, yeah, can't get too close to the eye. Yeah, so the trick I guess is to run around and then come up here. But I have to like dodge all this stuff and then get on there somehow. Alternatively, I can just play it safe down here and wait for the next phase. You can actually fairly easily dodge the those shots, and then you don't even need to get all of the mana. You can just go over here. Oopsies. Okay, that's yikes. Anyways. I think you should say something after the first round. And if events LV3 timer is less than 6. So I'm gonna play it safe over here, make sure the other message appears. My goodness. Ooh. I'm gonna slow down those projectiles because they're still too fast. I'm bad. So just sit here. Oh my goodness, it took so many shots. Hold on. I can get a little bit rarer. Slowing down the projectiles a bit and then reducing the number. Stuff coming from below is tricky. Thanks. Why did it teleport me? If soul mode. That kind of assumes you're in soul mode. Alright, thanks. So you get a little bit of a break, and then you get hit with the next phase. So we did the first one. Only 5 more to go. Concentric rings. So this one should be easy to do. So start this one at 1,200. And go to 1,800, and it's just going to do for I in range 30, 36. Angle equals the math.pi by 2 divided by I divided by 36. So that's 32 in a circle. And then offset equals random by math.pi by 2, I guess, plus offset. Oh, I had a hack on level 2 that I need to remove. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what is that? I accidentally got into soul mode a little bit late there. Oops. Yikes. There's a lot of options, like, in terms of ways to beat this boss. Oh, I forgot the intermediate phases. So I'm gonna do an Elif. So that I can do an else. I target height equals 15. And then here it'll be 30. It needs to be a little bit higher so I can... Actually, no, I'll do 4. This is basically closed. So the there's more message should probably come. I'm gonna do this when the next one starts, which is 1200. I'm bad. Oh, I'm bad. Wow. Come on. Well, you really gotta watch out for this one's blow. Oh. That's not gonna work. I got cornered. And nope. So I'm just gonna nope. Here we go. Okay, I want those circles to be more uniform, which means speed needs to be consistent at 2.5. Oh. Okay. So this part's easy. This is... Oh. As I say it. couldn't tell if the thing moved properly. Oh my, the stray ones coming up are driving me crazy. I'm gonna reduce the number of circles here, just a tiny bit. Okay, so that is working properly. Okay, so I've got one more, which means I have to start working on getting up. Nope. I'm gonna really need enough time afterwards for the wait. So 2,200. I'm gonna need a lot of time for that stuff to clear up. Actually, I'm gonna do 300. If I can survive up here, that would be great. Oh, dangerous. Nope. So, ideally you want to hang around right here until, oh my goodness, that's a... Okay. I'm imagining if Oral's gonna play this, he's gonna spend like an hour trying to beat this thing, and then Danae's gonna tell him not to. Yeah, I'm fine with the difficulty here because this is more of a traditional bullet hell. It's to be expected. So this phase doesn't have enough time to end. I'm gonna do 1050. Oh, chill out. Can I get up here? There we go. That helps a lot, just a little bit of time. Here we go. Could go up here. I don't think I wrote the part that ends that phase. Oh, no, I did. So I can get this mana. Oops. Drop my body all the way down there. Oh, it's not gonna end it because I didn't do the next phase. So that's the circles phase. Swirls are next. Oh boy. Okay, so 2,500 events, LV3 timer, plus then 3,100. Gonna make it even wider. I'm going to just do this. So speed equals that, angle equals game time by math.py by 2. I'm gonna do game time. So how long for a full loop? It should be like 10 seconds. So it needs to be if random.random 0 to 6 is 0. I want it to be consistent-ish. Do I have a timer that doesn't use DT? Oh, game time doesn't. Game time percent 4 is 0. Then for I in range 4, it's going to have let's do 12, 20, and I can do 10. Actually, I'm just gonna take this code. So all you have to do, no, is for this offset, it's related to game time. Game time divided by 600 by math.py by 2. Okay. And then now I get to do 3,250, 3,300. So first phase is shotgun. After, if I get through this, I'm gonna do a shortcut here. Oh, I didn't quite make it. That's not good. Nope. I really need to get up there. It's a lot easier from up there because you get further away from the stuff coming up from the ground here. Nope. I don't know what that was. Oh, I barely missed it. Yeah, that's a lot of projectiles. I'm gonna give more time on the first one. How much time can I even give? I gave another. I took a little bit of time out of the ring section. Did I get it? I think so. There we go. Oh my. Okay, maybe it needs less arms. And it needs to be less frequent. So 30. And we're doing 12 arms. I think he's turned into a black blob. Nope, I'm bad. Okay, I'm gonna... I think that has something to do with the spawn point. I'm gonna raise the spawn point just a tiny bit, because I think that's the issue. Hopefully it doesn't shoot another one. Nope. I didn't get to make it to the third round there. Come on. Player velocity. If player wait, no. If map transition or no, if not, I need to give it some time. Same thing on the velocity. Nope. So I think I can move the player back lower. I think this side's a little bit harder to get up on. I think it's a little bit closer. Why wasn't I looking? I'm using Pygame, as it says in the title. I'm trying to finish the boss fight. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I've done 3 out of 6 phases in terms of code. Okay. Okay. I need to see that next phase. Why is it closed still? Okay, it needs a higher frequency. Wait. I'm gonna increase the bullet limit on the boss level. Projectiles equals if level name does not equal level 3, else 500 projectiles. Let's do it. So also so frequency needs to be significantly higher. I'm gonna have to do less arms. There's not much of a choice there. Actually, I'm gonna do a skip here. Events level 3 timer equals 2,300. But did I just not? Oh, I didn't put the eyes height thing. That's what happened. I was confused why I was closed. I'm bad. Just get hit by that one stray one down there. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so I need to turn down the scale of these things though. So that's scale, so that's gonna be 5, but I want the base speed to be higher. Oh, that's trippy. There we go. Oh, the ones coming from below always get me. Okay, it's a little bit difficult, I would say, so I'm gonna tone this down to 6 branches. Not 64, that's dangerous. 6 branches. So the trick is to stay... Nope, I should have gone for the left. That middle one feels like a trap or something. Oh, that was close. I almost hit it. There we go. And I'm good. What was I waiting for? Was I waiting for anything? I don't even remember. Okay. So I did the exit, so we're good on that. So, swirls. Next up is double swirls. Okay, so double swirls is easy. So this one's going to be 3,500. I'll give it 3,600. Give a short break. Wait. So not 3,600. I'm gonna do 3,350. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Oh wait, no, I already did that one. So I need to do one after. So that's 36. Is it 3,800? 3,850. Okay. For J in range 2. You just shift the offset. If J is 0, else negative game time. So it'll do a double spiral. I'm gonna reduce the rate slightly just to make it not brutal. I want to make this one longer though. The duration's not right. Hold on. This needs to be 42, but I'm gonna do 4,500. I'm gonna make this one especially long. That pattern is dense. How much time is left for the game jam to end? It ends at 2 p.m. tomorrow, so about 12 hours. You can still see with the black sparks. Okay, in bullet hells, you do not look at your enemy. You look at the bullets around you. So I mean, I guess it's confusing if you haven't played bullet hells, but like when you're right here, you look at the projectiles. You don't look at the center. If you look at the eye, you can get blinded. Oh, nope. I just hit the pop filter. Hold on, where's my... What? I didn't type that right. I was looking for this part. If that and not level map transition. Perfect. So this is a tricky one. Oh, why did it end so early? That got me killed. $3,850. Oh no, okay, so this needs to be force 4,800. Nope. I wasn't looking. Oops. Hold on, I need that second one. So that one's not giving me enough time. Okay, 400. Okay. So now for this pattern. Can I do it? I'm like this. Oh, that was close. Okay. So I almost had it. Can read chat real quick. My chat. Oh, oops. Hold on. It's not actually frozen. I forgot to update it to the new URL. I can read it. The stuff you're seeing on the stream is not what I'm seeing. There we go. There's a blue dot at the center of the soul, so you can look at it properly. I just remembered this exists. You can go full screen. But yeah, the blue dot in the center is what I use to keep my eyes on to keep track of things. Also, the glow helps you focus in on it because it's perfectly in the center of the glow. Anyways, so double swirls are done. I don't know if I gave it enough time actually. So it starts at 3600. So 3500, I guess. Nope. Keep hitting the pop filter. This phase is brutal. It would be easier from a little bit higher up, but actually right here is a pretty safe spot. Except for that. Ooh, slid right down the middle there. There we go, finally. Yeah, that is perfect. So, yeah, that phase is done. So spinning X. This one is going to be denser, but it's only 4 beams. So I actually just have to copy this one. This one's 30. Okay, so it's going to start at 4800, so 5200 to this one's gonna be a normal length one, so 5800. 7. It's only going to do 4. This one, you're really gonna have to get close 4. I'm just going to do 3 beams, and it's going to be like that. Okay, so offset 10 seconds for rotation. I guess that's fine. Yeah. Actually, yeah. Ah, it's a trap. So I need to be able to do that thing from over here. It's a lot more disconnected once you get this far out though. So this is very easy. So for this next phase, yeah, yes, yep, That's how you do it. I didn't do the exit stage, but so for this one, 5800, I'll give it till 6200 to exit. So that's the X. One last phase, which is the concentric rings plus more projectiles rising. Actually, no, I feel like that one is a fitting final one. No, I'll do that one. I can't decide. Yeah, I'll make that the final one. So leave it and ready to exit and door. So 200. Door is going to be by where I came from, which is going to be 350, 388 HP. I'm going to test that with by setting the timer here to 100. Of course. That's in the floor. So minus a lot actually. So 62 and then go. My gut's saying 50. I'm good at that stuff. Let's go. 56. So it's 3 or 4 pixels. I would say 4, so 60. Perfect. But that's not in a very good spot, so. Okay. So when you have ready to exit, I shouldn't be able to enter the form. Okay. Actually, that needs to be 68. I need some time to let this thing vibrate or something. So 62 to 66, it's going to shake and explode. I. If 62 to 66. I base equals 386 plus random.random 0 to 10 minus 5 8 minus 4 220 plus random.random 0 to 8 minus 4. So that's just going to shake it. And if that is less than 6,800. If actually I'll do the explosion from the eye itself. So death equals, so I'm gonna do this, and then right here it'll really explode. So I base dot copy. And then I base 0, I base 1. So red light. So gonna do it slow decay time 1.5. Make it really last. Look at it shaking. If wait, it needs to enforce its own eye height. $24. Add, do the thing. Okay, I think there needs to be more particles than that. $300. This stuff needs to be bigger as well. 8 and 7. 35. I'm going all out on that last explosion. Okay. Where's the part? Projectiles.pen. So for here, I'm gonna do and is less than 63. There we go, that looks great. Those almost look like bullets for a moment. Okay, so I just need the final area. No, don't do UML. Where did I learn? Mostly documentation at this point. Okay, so I need level 4. Ground. This is a donut. So, do this and this. And give it a table. Torches, one on each side. Save data maps. Rename level 4. Let's see. False. True. Okay, so let's check out level 4 here. Nope, I missed. So, 202? If I need to remove the part that's trying to kill me right now. And level name does not equal level 4. So I need one last text thing here. If level name is level 4, thanks for playing. Doesn't need any offset because it's there permanently. +1 for oh, that's fine. Oh, actually it's fine. So this is the ending area. Can't get out. Okay. So, I'm gonna double check level 3, make sure it goes through properly. So it closes, and boom. I like how it zooms out on the things we're playing. That's great. Okay, so the question is, can I beat the game? I might have to tweak the timings on the boss fight here, though. So, on 3, I did this hack to skip things. But I don't want to use the hack, I want to actually beat the game. This is actually a little bit faster than I expected. To implement. Yes, there's more. Ooh. Should be able to hop up to my left. And go up here. Oh, are you kidding me? I thought I was fine there. Apparently not. Come on. Release, release, release. There we go. So for the next one, I can hop over here. No, the stuff coming from below got me. Shoot up here, nerd. I mean, it actually isn't that hard. I don't think. What? Okay, that was a bad move on my part. Yikes. Okay, just go up here. Easy dodging. That was I keep messing up. And I really shouldn't be. So now I just sit here. And it's gonna release. And almost. Ooh, that was close. I messed up that last stage. You have to have a vision on the entire eye for it. Nope. There's the exit. I think I actually only have to just get this one. I don't... nope. Let me go up this side this time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have to hop across. I might have miscounted though. Is this a single swirl or a double? This is single. Which means I do actually have to go across, come on. Okay, last part. Ooh. Yes. Where's the exit? Did I forget to put the exit in? Nice. There we go. I beat the boss. And that's a legit boss win, and I'm in the end. Woohoo! Okay, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I needed to do. I guess... let's throw it on level 1. Get this thing full screen. Wait, hold on. It's been 24 hours and you're still streaming. I've been going off and on. The game is called Wandering Soul. Put VTuber in the stream title. That would probably actually get more viewers. But, let's do this thing full screen. Hold on. I'm going to turn off that. And I can get the full experience now. Actually, you know what I want to do? Pygame.display.set. Wait, no, Pygame.mouse.set visible false. There we go. Time for the full experience. What did I want in Pygame? The internet. Wouldn't it be funny if I failed there? Oh my goodness. I feel like instead of the stuff coming from the bottom, it should come from the top. Because there's a lot of annoyances there. Right. So spawn, just scroll 0, angle, what is this? 4. Okay, let's do this again. This time the random things are coming from the top. So just gotta go right here and boop. This seems like a trap. Oh. Nope. Okay. Should have this. It's like 3 phases of this, if I remember correctly. Okay, one more phase, and then it gets to the other categories. Okay, so now it gets a little bit different. Alright, it's this one. Is that it? Okay, so now I have to do this thing. Oh, that's a lot, but fortunately I got a good jump on. I went down too far. Just a tad. Staying above is dangerous now with the new arrangement. Ooh, I actually got a lot more. Yes, I use Python to code. That's what the entire stream has been. Those things are so annoying. I think the other side's better because it's higher up, so you can get a better reach on this part here. There we go. So now for the double swirl. was stuck against the wall. I almost had it though. Nope. Okay, no. So just sit here, I guess, for a little bit. Almost. There we go. Oh, it's already swirling. Oh, the one from above got me. Those ones are so annoying. Nope, that was trash. I saw something that said out of curiosity, and I'm not sure what it said. Out of curiosity, have you thought of slower movement? No. I'm aware that is a thing in a lot of bullet hells. But I didn't do that. It's already pretty slow. It's more like me pressing a direction where I really shouldn't be. Come on. Oh, okay. I was off a bit. My camera alignment was bad for that one. I should have jumped out a bit further before switching. Okay. All right. And then for the last one. The boss fight might actually be harder with the bullets coming from the top instead of the bottom. I'm not sure. Be careful not to get. I should have stayed further away. I just wanted to be close for the final stage. Whenever people deal with the final stage, I imagine they're gonna start it off super far away, and they're gonna have to figure out after maybe 2 tries that they have to be super close. Oh, missed that one. My hands are very sweaty. Oops. I'm not sure how I can make the sound effects for this game satisfying. I feel like I'm gonna underdeliver no matter what I do. There we go. What is that? And I survived it. No. I almost had it. That was a cluster though that I slid through. And it's that. Go up here. I did it too late. I'm having a very hard time here. But yeah, having the projectiles come from the top makes it a lot harder for the boss battle, but the other stuff's easier. Oh, that was bad situation. Nope. I like how the body just goes flying. Okay, I did not mean to do it that way. That is not good. I mean, I guess it's fine. I can wait once. So this is a swirl. That was very close to me messing up the entire run. No! That was a bad position. You gotta be careful where those intersections are when it does the double spiral. That's a bad spot. It's too close to the roof. Oh, yikes. Okay. So, make sure to get in there early. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. So double spiral. Oh, this is, I'm not feeling good about this. Oh, that was very close. I was one pixel off, I can guarantee it. So, go catch it here. Ooh. Ooh. I've almost got it. Yes! Yes, I just have to dodge these last few. And I'm good. Yeet. He's mad at me, you can tell. And boom. Dot dot dot. Yay! I did it! Start to finish. Okay, I'm not sure how long that took, but that was fun. Probably one of my favorite game jam. No, probably is my favorite game jam game I've made so far. Yeah. It's definitely another hard one. But I don't know. I might be able to get away with it being hard because it's more traditional. I'm going to get people to play test. It's a game jam, so I'm not sure if it's cheating or not. I don't think it's cheating. I think people normally just play test, but still, there's not even that much time to play test. Submissions are in 11 hours. I still have to do sounds and music. The Soul Trail isn't too hard to follow. I'm sorry, the soul isn't too hard to follow. You just follow the center dot. There's one blue pixel in the middle, and that's what I look at. And it's layered over the trail, so you can see it fine. I mean, like, I enjoy playing a lot of the stuff I make, but like full games, that's a little bit different. Because normally by the time I finish the game, I don't really enjoy it too much. But like normally I'll enjoy parts of development. Like if you watch my stream where I was messing with combat mechanics, and I made the just spray of projectiles, that was fun. So PyInstaller, a lot of antiviruses think makes viruses. Things made with PyInstaller, a lot of antiviruses think are viruses because PyInstaller is used to make a lot of viruses. There's not much you can do about that. Is the soul form on a timer? Why not just use it all the time? Okay, first of all, there's mana, so the mana is how many times you can use it. In the thing I'm in right now, I actually can't use it because I don't. Yeah, it says I need more mana. But then the other thing is also the end of the form is determined by. Okay, it depends on the level. For the first level and the fourth level, so the ending thing, it ends after a certain amount of time. I don't remember how long it is. It's a few seconds. And then for the second and third level, so like the boss level and the one before that, it's timed to the phases. So it's when the phases end, you exit. So you don't choose the exit. That's probably going to annoy people a little bit, but for the most part, as long as you're watching below you, you're fine. That's my main concern with this game, actually, is that the timing of that is going to confuse people. Why are you saying you're making assets for my game? What? You'll be able to play the game tomorrow at 2 p.m. EST, so 11 hours-ish. 11 hours, 20 minutes. Well, I'll probably start with the source code upload, and then I'll package during the submission hour, because I'm not gonna package before the submission hour. It'd be a waste of time. I'm gonna use all the time I can get on music. Okay, one more thing I want to check. I want to make sure that the boss fight isn't awful if I crash the FPS. I go to 30. So this is like really bad. I think it actually gets easier. Like if you're on a bad computer, it gets a lot easier, I think. Because of the weird mix of DT and no DT. Is the phase gonna start? Did that break? It just didn't do anything. I think that was just weird luck. like me getting really lucky. Yeah, this is definitely easier with lag. That's not too bad. I guess it's not a huge deal. Yeah, there's so much more spacing on everything because of the way it's timed. Now on a laggy computer, for this part, you might be able to go up here. Nope. So that one you actually have to get close. I'm not going to worry about that too much. I think most people are going to be able to run it at 40 to 50 FPS. So like, the higher the FPS, the harder it's going to be. I don't feel like fixing that. Okay, anyways. So I am pretty much set to just do music and sound effects tomorrow. I'm going to leave it here. I will not be streaming. I did all this up. Okay, so I will not be streaming that part because, well, first of all, if I decide to do sound effects that are not digital, like go and record them, well, I need my microphone. I can't use it for streaming and do Foley at the same time. And then the other thing is I don't like people watching me make music normally, so yeah, this is probably the last stream for this project. Adding the sounds is only like a few lines anyways. So, yep. Ending it here. Good night.